What's good, everybody? It's John Alexander. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, this is the #1 Yeezy channel. So do yourselves a favor, guys. Smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for today's video. We got another early release unboxing coming right up next. So what's good, everybody? I hope y'all been good. In the last video, we unboxed an early look at this sneaker right here, which are the Bone White 500s. They're the next Yeezy release. Those are set to drop Saturday, August the 24th. After that, Ye's dropping the next release, which we got early for the channel for you guys. It's the 700 V1s, a new colorway. They're calling these the magnets. So we're gonna get a first look at those sneakers. Let me know what y'all think. Did you guys watch the last video? Who's picking up the Bone Whites when they drop? Seems like the general opinion is that they're, like I said, they're real close to the blush. So most people, if they haven't already gotten the blush, they're gonna pick up the Stone Whites. And it seems like most people that already got the blush are gonna go ahead and pass on them. Some people even said they sold their blushes just to get ready for this release. So let me know what y'all got going on. Let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. We got a few upcoming releases. I'm most looking forward to the 700 in the teal blue colorway. Those pictures that dropped on Yeezy Mafia are real dope. We'll see what we think about these magnets here. They got the Stone 500s dropping, which are similar to the blush and similar to these the ones we just showed y'all. And then so I'm feeling the teal blue colorway in the 700 V1s. And I'm also feeling the Soft Vision 500s from the mock-up photos. But we won't know how those look until the final images are released. So a few Yeezys coming out. They also put out info about the V3, the 350 V3 that are dropping. They're calling it the Alien colorway. Leaked images have been online of Ye rocking those, and Yeezy Mafia released details that they will be dropping soon, and they're dropping for a price tag of they're raising the price up to, I believe, $250. So let me know what y'all think about those. I'm real hyped about the V3. I can't wait for that new colorway to drop, new model. So again, we had to grab these early. So these are rumored to be releasing sometime in September. So once I seen them pop up on like the StockX and GoDaddy, I had to go ahead and snatch them up real quick for y'all to see. Of course, this is a size 7, it's not my size, so we got these early for y'all to see and for me to determine if it's gonna be a pickup for me. But from the leaked photos, I mean, I'm probably gonna pass on these, but let's go ahead and get these out for y'all. So most people are saying these are like a budget version of the Wave Runners. And from the photos online, it looked like they use different materials. So let's get our first impression, y'all. These are the Yeezy 700, and they're calling these joints the magnets. Let me know what y'all think. First impressions, and then I'll go ahead and give y'all my feedback. All right, y'all, so we got the latest Yeezy release here for y'all early on the channel. Again, these are the 700 in the magnet colorway is what they're calling these. So it's another version of the V1. It's set to drop sometime in September. We haven't got an official release date yet. But again, these are gonna retail for $300, and apparently they're just gonna be releasing in like men's sizes. So let me know what y'all's first impressions are. This sneaker does have a gum bottom, so bottom white, and then it's got the little hints of orange similar to like the Wave Runners. Now the top portion, as y'all can see, are going to be different types of gray and then a tan inside. So what I first noticed about this sneaker is that he did use a different material. So it's a combination of mesh and suede, leather, One of my first things I noticed, of course, is the mesh that they use is similar to the Tefras. So I'm referring to this portion right here. A lot of people weren't feeling this mesh, saying it looked cheaper. It is still a premium material, but that's what we noticed. So that's a difference when compared to the Wave Runners. So as y'all can see here on the Wave Runners, this mesh has like bigger holes in it. This one has the smaller. So when we compare them next to each other, this part is exactly the same. The sole and the little orange hints. So totally different sneaker, real dope. I'm kind of on the fence about these again. I do want to say that this would probably be one of my least favorite colorways in the V1. Now if I didn't own Wave Runners, these would be a pickup for me. We'll see how stock numbers go. Based on stock numbers, these might fall below retail. So I'm really curious to see how those do. I don't know how people feel about the teal blues. The early leaked photos weren't too appealing, but these new images that have leaked online make me really like this shoe. So here's another comparison versus the Wave Runner. Let me know what y'all think. What are your favorite models in the 700? Not talking about the V2, we're just talking about the 700 V1s. If I had to rank them in order, I would go with number 1, of course, the OG Wave Runner. Number 2, we're gonna go with the mauve colorway. For number 3, I'm probably gonna have to go with, I'm gonna have to actually go with a sleeper, and we're gonna go with the analogs at number 3, followed by inertias, then these, and my least favorite of the V1s, unfortunately, had to go to the utility blacks. So let me know y'all's ranking for V1s, not V2s. We need to know the rankings for the 700 V1s. Leave those comments down below, y'all. And do me a favor, smash the like button on this video. So we're gonna give y'all another look one more time. Again, for the V1s, they're dropping the teal blues as well. For the 500s, scheduled to drop, they've got the Stone 500, y'all, next month, and then the Soft Vision is rumored to release in October. So waiting to see the Soft Visions. There's 2 new colors in the V2 350s dropping, the Citron and the Cloud White. Out of those 2, I am excited to see what the Cloud White looks like. Those are real fire. The Cloud White is supposed to have, it's got like 2 different tones of colors. So real curious to see what those look like. The Citrons will probably be the next early review that we get on this channel. So y'all be on the lookout for that video. Once I can get my hands on a pair, you know we got to get them for y'all to see early. So and then hopefully we'll get that 350 V3 by the end of the year. The feeling I'm getting is that he'll probably drop those just like he did the Statics. So if y'all remember, this was a brand new silhouette for the 700, the V2 version. Ye decided to wait all the way to the end of the year to drop those. So you can expect that trend heading into the end of 2019, and I'm hoping that we'll get the 350 in the V3, the aliens that everybody's waiting for. And please, can we get the Yeezy basketball, the Yeezy Quantums? Those gotta drop. I'm hoping and I believe that those should drop along with some this fall, when the NBA season starts. So my most anticipated releases are definitely the 350 V3, the Quantum basketballs, and the teal blue 700 V1s, and the soft vision 500s, depending on how they look. So let me know what y'all are waiting on. Oh, and they did announce they're dropping a version 2 of this sneakerway in the Inertia colorway. So that's all the info we got for upcoming Yeezy releases. So we're gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much. I will be doing a giveaway. We're giving away a pair of the Calabasas sweatpants. That's at 5K subscribers. So y'all go ahead and do yourselves a favor. Just go ahead and subscribe now, so when we announce the rules, you guys will already be entered into the giveaway. So my name is John Alexander. Thanks again so much for watching. You guys stay blessed, and I'm out.